Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Payday 3 matchmaking errors. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So what I am going to show you are some basic troubleshooting that you can do in order to fix some errors in your Payday 3 matchmaking. The first one is to simply update your game. So in some cases, your instance of Payday 3 may not be loading properly due to an outdated version. So if your friends aren't having any issues, but you are, so this could be the culprit, though most services are good about updating your games automatically. And then you can also try restarting your game, computer, and the Wi-Fi. So it is a tried and true method, but in some cases, any of these three steps may fix the problem. So this is again a good choice if other people don't seem to be having the issues, but you are. So switching from a Wi-Fi to a wired connection or talking to your ISP may also be worth trying. And then lastly, what you can do is to make sure that your firewall isn't causing any issues. So when playing online games, Windows Firewall have been known to cause problems. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.